Welcome, friends. Today, we are doing another unboxing video. Scandalous. That's right, my friends. Once again, I have returned to you, this time with an unboxing. And this unboxing video should be a little bit good. I have wanted this fragrance for a long time. It is very hard to get. And thank goodness I have managed to finally lay my hands on it. So, as many of you will be aware, Serge Lutens has been doing bits with its distribution, with its availability, with its prices, with its everything, really. And they've become distinctly harder to get. So the bits that they have been doing are not necessarily good bits, but bad bits. I was very disappointed by this, as should you be, because there's some great fragrances, and they've just become much, much harder to get. But fortunately, the other day, I got a notification on my phone which said, "This fragrance which you seek has become available on eBay." And when I clicked on it, there it was, in bell jar form. And the fragrance I was alerted to was Serge Lutens' Iris Silver Mist. Incredible. This has been on my wanted list for years, as it has been on a lot of people's wanted lists for years. It is not an easy one to find, you know, and you have to be patient, and then even when they do come up, they're at silly prices. I managed to pay about retail for this, so I'm really happy, to be honest. It is a newer formulation, although I'm not sure that there has been a lot of reformulation. The batch code is 8291PM. It is a 75ml bottle. I don't think it's full, but there's not a lot out of it. So the fact that it became available to me, I am extremely pleased with. I did think the juice would be a bit more purple. I'm sure it used to be more purple than this, but it could just be the label with its very violet, soft. I don't know if the camera's picking that up, but it's very, very soft, muted, irisy purple sort of thing, you know, washed violet. I also picked up from the same seller for 10 Great British pounds this. And what is this? This is one of Serge Lutens' own atomizers. And that, I thought, for £10, it's a 7.5ml. And I get 10 refills out of this bell jar. Fabulous. So I'm pretty chuffed. I'm pretty chuffed, my friends. Shall we do an impression? I'd love to call it a first impression. We shall do an impression. We shall pick this up. I shall wobble it, get some juice on the cap, and dab it on my hand. We will see. I will read you the notes. Get on there. That's right. You like that, don't you? Oh. So this was released in 1994 by by Serge Lutens, and it was the perfumer is Maurice Roussel. Iris, cedar, frankincense, ambergris, vetiver, sandalwood, musk, benzoin, galbanum, clove. This is a very carroty, cool iris. Considering this came out in 1994, you can see a lot of niche perfumes have taken inspiration from this. I don't know how much real iris is in here, if any. But the fragrance itself is absolutely gorgeous. It's cool. It's clean. Slightly medicinal, slightly carroty, rooty iris. It's got very, very faint wisps of something incensey, and I mean faint wisps. I get the benzoine as well a little bit, something a little bit creamy. You know, like that kind of, I don't know, how can I put it? It's like a, I don't know if you can hear that. I'm doing it with, like, I'm rubbing my fingers together. It's got that kind of, it's got a little bit of traction, but also a little bit of, like, viscosity to it, you know? The very particular texture, very textured perfume. Smooth, but also got a little bit of pushback, you know, a little bit of friction there. Musk, cedar, it's beautiful. It's an absolutely beautiful perfume, and I am extremely pleased to finally have it and be able to add it to my collection. Keep a lookout, my friends, because it's out there every once in a while. You never know. You never know. Had no intentions of buying a perfume, and then all of a sudden, bang, this appeared. And I am delighted to have it. I don't know where I'm going to put it. I think you could probably wear this year round, maybe with the exception of deepest summer. Maybe you could. It's quite cool. I think it's what Lanier Smith used to call a cool blonde. You know? It's quite pale. It's quite aloof, standoffish, you know, but beautiful all the same. It's amazing to behold. Anyway, you can expect to see this on my channel over the coming weeks, and I will see you then too. Bye.